How to make a string lowercase in Python. To make a string lowercase in Python, use the string lower method. The string lower method in Python returns a copy of the string converted to lowercase. Let's set up some quick code to see how lower works. We will have a string s called hello with the first letter capitalized. If we call lower, we will see that lower returns the string hello in all lowercase. The other example you're probably wondering about is what happens in the case of strings where the case is not applicable, like numbers and symbols. So we will change s to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space, exclamation point. If we call lower here, we will see that lower does nothing and just returns back the original string. In the case where if a character is not applicable, or if the character is already lowercase, lower does not modify the character. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.